shades. Want to open these blinds?
Hey everyone, Joe here. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with Mary Ann, and we're going to be putting on these stretch slip covers, and I thought you might be interested in seeing how these work. The ones we got them through Amazon. It's right here. It's a company called Turquoise, I don't know exactly how to say it. And it's stretch furniture cover, and we're going to start by putting, I'm sorry, the ring light is in there. And we're going to start by putting it on that one right there. So just hold on 1 second. Okay, so it says there's these red tags here that say back, and they want you to start on the right side.
Well, it just says the tag would be on the right side, but okay.
Well, there's two tags, right?
Yep, on this one. All right.
Okay, so you have to put yours on first.
Let's see if it's as easy as they say. Okay, mine is on the bottom. With my
Okay, what do the instructions say next?
It says to
Start
put it over the...
draping the slip cover on the other side of the furniture.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm pulling on my side now too?
Yep. I think we should just bring it down. It says, and then we can tuck it in.
Okay.
The reason we're doing this is because Joe wanted white furniture, and I think it was cheaper than buying new living room furniture. Right now, anyway.
I wanted white just for
Christmas
actually.
Okay, so...
Okay, so now we're supposed to start tucking.
In here, and then see where the arms are, Joe? Line up your arms. Oh, not too bad so far.
I have like a big drapey thing here.
That's the arm. You have to get the arm, Joe.
Where did you put this seam?
Right here. Oh,
On the end?
Wait, where's my seam? Oh, no. I don't. I guess the seam was somewhere. This can't be the seam because then.
Look, and then I have it here too.
I thought this was the arm.
What about that? I don't know.
I think it just, this is because it's going to tuck in, I think.
Okay, so already it's not as easy as they said it was.
No, I think it, because there's confusion.
Well, look at all this.
It has to go in. And I think this gets tucked in. I think.
All right, I'm going to pause you while we tuck it in. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes since the last time we saw you. And we got it basically tucked in. I don't know if you can see it like that. And now these things come with these foam thingamajigs here for you to push in so that...
So when someone sits, the cushion doesn't come up. We don't know about that yet.
Hey, Marion?
Yep,
this?
I put this one in first. You have to play with it to match your couch. But I'll tell you the truth, it's not bad for what, you know, I don't think anyway. I mean, it's not a perfect fit. But I think
Are you pushing it all the way down?
Yeah, the side doesn't go down as good. And then two in the back. And then you know what, I don't know, they sell these little clips that go on, they sell these little clips. I have to find out where they sell it, you know, for sheets, or they used to when the sheets, to keep the sheets, it's almost like those girdle clips from years ago, for people who are old enough to know what that is. I think we're going to get that to pull it even tauter, is that the word? But I guess it's a good option to change your color of your furniture rather than change your furniture. And these are washable. I don't know how they'll wash out, but they're washable. And I think it, so Joe, you want to take a picture of it to see? It looks not bad. We're going to do it tauter.
Yeah.
See, I think even if we get that little piece, it'll pull that in.
All right, but we just wanted to share that with you. So there we are. We went to white, so, you know, it's going to work.
Now get my cup of coffee. Let's see if it goes.
It's supposed to be stain resistant, and Spill
I'll do the
resistant.
commercial like that away.
So
bad.
we have the other couch to do now, but we're not gonna show you that. You'll actually see when you see when I'm working in this room for the Christmas. The only thing that's bothering me is like right here, and I think what Marianne was saying is right. We need to just like kind of like
push
pull
it and you can see. I don't know if they can see because
Yeah,
you see a little wrinkle there.
like if he
we
pull this here like
right,
this,
and then it'll get those clips for the bottom. It'll make it taut.
But it's kind of like a corduroy. What does it feel
No,
like?
it feels like not a crushed velvet. A jag. It's soft. It's almost like that.
It's really soft.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, so we wanted to share that with you. It's an inexpensive way to change out your furniture, and they're washable. You know, if you have kids and you want something white and you don't want to spend the money for a custom because you don't know if you're getting rid of our furniture like we are. So it's a good option, right?
And the other thing is, I saw for people who have pets, if you have pets that go on your furniture, you can put this on, and it'll do the hair, and then you can at least take it off and wash it. We don't have any pets, but if we did, that would be a good option.
Yeah.
You know, and they did have a lot of other colors. We just drew it white because you wanted white for Christmas.
Yeah, I wanted white.
Okay, so hopefully that helps somebody if you need to have the furniture. Now here's the test. I'll get up, and if it's not bad, you might have to just fix it a little bit. Yeah. You don't want to do that when you come.
And we'll give you a second review when, like I said, when I'm decorating in this room, and then you'll know if it's, what I'm going to tell you.
Yeah.
So, all right, that's it for today. Thanks for joining us for this little video, and I'll be seeing you really soon with another Christmas video coming up, hopefully today. Bye-bye. Take care. Subscribe.